In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to Liquid Web and sign up for an account. We'll break it down step by step to make sure you can follow along easily. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google. Type Google into your browser's address bar or simply open a new tab if it's set as your default homepage. This will help us start from a common reference point and make it easier for everyone to follow along. Once you're on the Google homepage, go ahead and type Liquid Web into the search bar. As you type, Google will likely suggest some search results, but ensure you complete the full term and hit enter for a more precise search result. This is crucial so you can easily find the official Liquid Web website, avoiding any potential look-alike sites which could be misleading. After hitting enter, the search results will load and you should see Liquid Web appearing at the top or near the top of the listings. Look for the link that directly leads you to Liquid Web's official site. This site will usually have a description mentioning web hosting or similar services. Go ahead and click on that link. This simple action takes you directly to the Liquid Web homepage, bringing you one step closer to creating your account. Once you're on the Liquid Web homepage, look around for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will redirect you to the login page. Now here you'll see two main options, logging in or signing up. Since we're focused on creating a new account, look for the sign up option, which is usually nearby. Now it's time to input your personal information. Start by typing your email address into the designated field. Make sure to use a current and frequently checked email, since this will be essential for account confirmation and correspondence. Next, choose a unique username. Think of something easy to remember, but still secure. The next field requires you to type in your password. It's prudent to create a strong password, combining uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Always avoid easily guessable passwords to protect your account from unauthorized access. With all your details filled in, it's time to finalize your account creation by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you click it, you may need to verify your email or adhere to additional instructions that Liquid Web might provide for initial security. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated to Liquid Web and created your own account. You should now be ready to log in and explore the various web hosting services offered by Liquid Web. Remember, always keep your login information private and reach out to their support if you encounter any issues. Thanks for watching and happy browsing!